My name's Chris. I'm working with Deutsche Aircraft for 5 years now. My role with Deutsche Aircraft right now is called a dock chef for Test Aircraft 1. I'm basically handling the communications between the shop floor level and the engineering level and the boss level. I'm showing this product, this aircraft, to the aviation world and all interested parties. I'm working on it since the first day, basically, since we started this project. So the whole process is very exciting and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in aviation. Well, the overall project was and is still very challenging. It's the working inter-department-wise between engineering and the shop floor level, and some personal challenges as well. So it's a good but challenging work. My background is I'm coming from the maintenance side, so all what we are doing here right now is basically something completely new, because it's a new aircraft, so we're starting something from zero, and that is for me the most interesting and challenging part.